Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing good in their life. Um, Please like, share and subscribe my channel because as I've always told you and telling today also, I want people to get motivated and do very good in their own life because that is the only intention for which I have created my channel and I'm giving my time to this channel. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. As much as you will share and subscribe, people will know, through you also people will know about this channel and they will see and learn from here and then get motivated and move ahead in their life. So that is the sole motive for which this channel is being created and I'm giving my precious time to this channel also. Work hard in silence. Let your success make all the noise. Friends, वर्क हार्ड कीजिए मुंह बंद करके, मुंह चुप काम चालू। और मैं सक्सेसफुल हूँ, आप सक्सेसफुल हो, कोई भी सक्सेसफुल है, बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। हमारा काम बोलता है, हमारा काम सच में बोलता है। एंड दिस इज़ वेरी ट्रू ऑल्सो। जो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि मैंने ये किया, मैं इतना सक्सेसफुल हूँ, मैं वो हूँ, एक्चुअली वो सक्सेसफुल होते नहीं हैं। वो सिर्फ बोलते हैं, दिखावा करते हैं सक्सेसफुल होने का। जो सक्सेसफुल एक्चुअली होते हैं वो उनको बोलते कभी देखिएगा नहीं, वो सक्सेस के पीछे भागते हैं। उनका मुंह बंद रहता है, वो काम के पीछे भागते हैं। उनका काम बात करता है, काम बोलता है कि हाँ दिस पर्सन हैज डन दीज थिंग्स। ऐसा ही होता है। एक एग्जाम्पल मैं देना चाहूँगी। वी ऑल नो शाहरुख खान। ही इज़ द किंग खान ऑफ बॉलीवुड, ही इज़ बादशाह ऑफ बॉलीवुड, and so many names that he has earned in his lifetime. That is only because of his hard work. Mr. Khan was not born rich. He was born in a middle class family in Delhi. He went to St. Columbus School in New Delhi. Then thereafter he did his graduation in economics from Hansraj College. And thereafter he had got an admission to mass communication, mass comm, in Jamia Millia Islamia, which he didn't complete because he had forayed into acting by then. He had forayed into acting by then and he had learned acting from different groups in Delhi while being in Delhi. His first television serial was Fauji, which used to come on national prime time way back in 1988. And we all know Abhimanyu Rai, his character that he played over there. And he was a talk of the town. Everyone knew him by Abhimanyu Rai. So that was how he used to get into his character. That was the first beginning of his thing. Then came the circus. Second one was circus. Thereafter, and it's not that he had a very good lavish lifestyle or something. No, he had to struggle. His father had died of cancer in 1981. Thereafter his mother was there, who was the sole breadwinner of his family. And he has an elder sister with him. But then when he was acting in television, suddenly his mother died of diabetes complications in 1991. Thereafter his sister went into depression and he had to take care of her as well and the whole family. He had to take care. So he didn't like being in Delhi anymore. He just moved to Mumbai from there. Thereafter, he started thinking whether he can started his struggle in the Bollywood. He landed up with 4 films in 1993. First was Deewana. Second was signed by Hema Malini, Dil Aashna Hai. Third was Chamatkar. Another one was Maya Memsa, that year itself. So he did 4 films. Deewana was a smash hit. Although he was the second lead, the first lead was Rishi Kapoor, Divya Bharti starred. So he made a mark of himself. Then he got the movie of Anti-Hero. So there was Dar, Anjam. These established him, and thereafter he got into romantic films like Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, Bazigar was the movie which established him as a anti-hero. That was all before 95. After 95, it was only the romantic films that started in his career. He started his own production house, Red Chillies Entertainment. And thereafter, he got lots of laurels due to his acting career, acting skills. He got that different kind of style in acting because he can't stand at one place. He starts hopping, he used to start hopping from here and there, lip movements, eyes expressions, all these things he introduced it to Bollywood. Not only that, he is the brand ambassador of Kolkata. He owns Kolkata Knight Riders and many other businesses he does apart from this being a movie star. So life had hit him hard. And he didn't have any mentor in Bollywood. He didn't know people there. But still, he went on. He is today a big star because of his own hard work. He went on working films after films. He never waited or anything. Whatever came his way, whichever roles he got, he took it and gave his 100% to it. And then the result is today, you see, his name initials SRK. That is his signature today. So everyone knows him, and today he is called King Khan, Badshah and whatnot. So, काम बोलता है. His work is speaking for him 10 times. It's not that somebody gave him this movie, that movie, or he was pushed for behind and people came and they recommended his name. No. You want to be something, you have to put in your effort. You have to give your blood to it. And then you become it. So we should learn from such people that how they pushed themselves to be a successful person. They didn't speak for their work. They just kept on going on and on. They worked hard in their own field and established themselves as a successful person, successful actor in the film world. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. फिर आऊँगी एक नए टॉपिक और नया एग्जाम्पल के साथ. Up till then, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.